What's up, guys? Hat cam footage. Marquise and I going down to the creek for the starting the 50 fish for 50 subscribers video. And so yeah, this is just one of the ways we get to a certain part of the creek. It has a lot of fish in it. And yeah, once we get down there, turn the camera back on, let's catch some fish. See you later. We're just moving on upstream. We're gonna go back downstream in a little bit. This is a little overview of it. Yeah. Alright guys, Marquise got number one. One fish, 49 more to go. I have fish number two, people. Yeah. Think you can see that? Yeah. Yeah. Right here. Three people. Small, but oh, these are the new trout lures that I got for Marquise for his birthday, and that's really nice. Bluegill? Looks like it. Might be a hybrid, Marquise. Nice. Fish number four, a real nice creek chub. Good one, Marquise. That's what I'm talking about. Think it's recording? Yeah, it's recording. Nice. Can you go close up on it? Nice. Fish number five, people. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. He's fighting. Oh, that's a nice one. Marquise, check this out. Oh yeah. I think that should count as two fish. I'm just kidding. Alright, I just got another nice one. I just casted it out over there. What number is this, Marquise? I forget. 6, yeah. I think 6. Cool. Double header, people. What number is this, Marquise? Shoot. Something like that. We'll watch when we get back. Alright, here we go. That's a real nice one. Yeah, 1 and 2. So we'll get back to you. Marquise has got another nice chub on this trout minnow lure. Oh man, that's a nice one. Not as big as the one that my chub that I caught, but that's real nice. Hey bro, bring it closer. That's nice. Okay guys, we just found this snake skin right here. Oh man. That's cool. I'm thinking eraser. Like you said, Marquise. That's nice. Snake skin. Oh, fail. Alright, I just got a nice one. Right here. Red and White Bass Pro Tournament Series 2. Cool. Oh, that's a nice one. That thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Shoot. That thing is about big as my hand. Jesus. I told you that was a big one right there, Marquise. I told you. Nice. Marquise, bring him over here. Golly. Pull him up, hurry. Nice. Right. Marquise and I just got a double header. Nice. 1. I was snagged, and right when I went in to get it out, the fish was on there. Cool. I just got another one. Ooh. Hat cam again. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Got him. Marquise has got one. Nice. Nice comparison. And we're linked up. Another. I just tossed it in, going after a big one, and I got this nice one. Ugh. Marquise has got another one. It's not on my hat. See if it feels recording.